So, while on the way out, heading to Blatchford Viaduct to photograph a clay train, I realised I forgot my camera to take pictures on. So, change of plan, come to Ivy Bridge Station, make a blog video instead, and then go home, come back out with my camera this time, because there's a freight train coming down this evening. So, yeah. Every photographer's bug. Every now and then, you will forget your camera. So we've just had a Voyager go through, and now the next train will be the clay train with a class 66. Time to head home and get the camera now, I guess. So we've come to Plymouth this evening, and we're going to see the same 66 that we saw at Ivy Bridge come down with 4 JIA clay wagons. That's the end of this video now, so we'll see you on the next one.